Chapter 5. Seeing a doctor. How to make a doctor's appointment. I'd like to make an appointment with a general physician, please.
When would you like to come?
I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. William, please.
Dr. William is booked up today, but tomorrow at 3 p.m. is possible.
That's fine with me. Can I make an appointment with the dentist, please?
You can see the dentist tomorrow at 10 a.m. or at 3:30 p.m. Which time works best for you?
10 a.m. is okay.
How to ask for an earlier appointment? Would 5:30 p.m. be okay with you?
Not quite. Do you have anything earlier?
No, I'm afraid not.
Okay. If an earlier appointment becomes available, could you call me? If not, I'll come on Wednesday.
Would Thursday 11 a.m. suit you?
Do you have any free appointments earlier in the week?
That's the earliest I can give you, I'm afraid.
Okay, then Thursday would be okay. But if someone with an earlier booking cancels, could you let me know, please?
How to describe your symptoms to the doctor.
What seems to be the trouble?
I have blotches all over my body.
Have you eaten anything you are allergic to? What seems to be the trouble?
I have a pain in my knee.
What were you doing when the pain started? What seems to be the trouble?
I have a fever and a splitting headache.
Have you been taking any medicine for it? What seems to be the trouble?
My eyes are watery and they hurt a lot.
How long have you been having these symptoms? What seems to be the trouble?
I've got a stomachache.
Could you describe the pain? Sharp? Mild? Is the pain persistent or intermittent?
How to get recommendations. I'll prescribe you a cream. You should apply it twice a day.
How long will the swelling take to go down?
About a week. You should go to the hospital for some tests.
How soon can I get the test results?
You need some blood tests.
When will the test results be available? Is it something serious?
I don't think there's anything to worry about, but if your headaches continue, you should see me again. I'll send you to go to a hospital for an X-ray.
Do you think I've torn my joint, doctor?
If you are not better in 2 days, come and see me again.
Okay. Thank you.